This activity turns math practice into an exciting game, making learning enjoyable and engaging. Children are motivated to participate in friendly competition. The use of physical tiles and carvings provides a